Take a ride in the 2021 Panamera. As you can see, Porsche didn't experiment with the car's design. They stuck with the Porsche philosophy that form should follow function. Nothing else would have made sense. Nothing else would have produced a four-seater Porsche. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual moonroof, turbocharged, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, daytime running lights, rain-sensing wipers. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.